Hi everyone, welcome back to the playlist. In this video, we're covering the Footnotes Summary Macro. If you're using Footnotes in your Confluence pages, this macro automatically creates a clean reference list at the end of the page like a real document. So readers can stay focused while reading and still review all references in one place. Footnotes are great for adding extra context without interrupting the main text. But once you have multiple footnotes, it's annoying for readers to hover each number, one by one, just to find the details. So instead of making readers hunt for footnotes, we'll generate an automatic footnotes list at the bottom of the page. Footnotes. Summary creates an ordered list of every footnote on the page. It shows 1, 2, 3. In the exact order, the footnotes appear in your content with the footnote text next to each number. This is perfect for documentation references, policy clarifications, or any extra detail you don't want inside the main paragraph. Now let's set it up. It only takes a minute. First, make sure your page already contains one or more footnotes macros the inline superscript numbers. Each footnote should have its own text configured. Click Edit. Scroll to where you want the list, usually at the bottom of the page. Click Insert plus, search for Footnotes Summary, and insert it. While you're still editing, you may see Preview not available. That's expected. The summary renders properly after publish or preview. Now publish the page, and the full reference list is generated automatically. Click Update. Now in View mode, you'll see a clean footnote summary list with every footnote number and its text. So readers can review all references in one place without interrupting the reading flow. That's it for the Footnotes Summary Macro. If you're already using Footnotes, this is the simplest way to add a proper reference section at the end of your Confluence pages. See you in the next video.